I was born in Seychelles, off the east coast of Africa. You know, sometimes I joke in the winter time, why didn't we transition to Hawaii? Tropics, America. But I wouldn't leave Minnesota. You know, it's beautiful. My name is Cindy Madsen. I'm the EHS manager for Certainty Shakopee. At the manufacturing site, it can be a lot of firefighting, but the background piece is making sure we stay in compliance with city, state, and federal for environmental and safety. I wasn't born in this country, and I'm the first in my family to go to college and get a master's degree. So I was raised by a single dad. My dad worked in manufacturing. The company made motor and steering for farm equipment. I started questioning, you know, my dad's own safety, and so I wanted to get involved in how I can help out. And so I decided to get my master's in environmental health and safety. Who he is influenced me, and I'm hoping it influences my children too. I remember it was intimidating, you know, especially not knowing how to take care of your own safety and having to learn that. That's what gets you through fighting this fight and being there for the employees out there and having compassion. Not only does it affect me because it's personal, you know, growing up, but also because of what I've seen out in the field. So it's building that relationship so you can communicate easier with the employees. So I have a 17-year-old and a 19-year-old, and that's my motivator. You know, that's what gets me going. And also to be an example to them, you know, that you can be in manufacturing. You know, you can be a woman doing things that's usually male dominant. I bring those stories home to teach both my kids that, you know, it's not just cookie cutter, there's not just one person that needs to do this, that anybody can do anything that they want. Sometimes women have the right instincts, women's intuition, which helps us out in this role. We can read people really well. We can sense when something's going on, and that's a key factor in safety. Manufacturing is exciting. There's never a dull day, that's for sure. But it's rewarding when you're told thank you, when you're recognized for doing the right things for them. My name is Cindy Madsen, and I'm a manufacturer.